In this video, we'll learn how to make this object on AutoCAD. Let's start. First, you will get the polyline. Polyline are lines that are easier to work with because it just makes them as one object. Get your polyline and select the line type to be continuous. Okay, get the continuous one and then write your dimensions. Select polyline, go specify your start point. I'll start here and then write your dimensions 70, 60. I'll just close it 70 and then 60 again. Close your shape. Then get your circle radius, and then select the middle one, the middle point, and then write the radius. It will be 35. Get the trim tool and then trim that part and that part. Get the circle again and then draw the middle circle. Go to your center point and then write the radius to be 20. Like this. Now, there are many ways to do this part. I'll just go get the polyline and then go 10 points to the right and then 15 points up. I'll go to this vertex, 10 points to the right and then 15 points up and then escape. That's our start point. I'll get the polyline again, go there, write 50 and then 15 up, 50 again and then 15 down. Escape. Then get the raise tool by writing ER and then select your object, the polyline, and then enter. Now we don't have it anymore. If you want to know how to add the dimensions, you can find that in another video in my channel. For now, don't forget to subscribe.